Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I learned an important lesson today about not putting too much of a background layer of black on a black canvas. And I'm going to use this calculator case that Carol gave me, a recent student, to make up some colors. Those are both Decorated Americana 24 karat gold. One has a little bit of orange mixed into it. This is a folk art color shifting purple flash. This is Anita's white metallic. This is a Modern Masters Venetian blue. This is a folk art emerald green. Put a little piece of tape over the end of this. This was a clearance section item as far as I know. Like I said, I was gifted. That is some turquoise metallic that I made up by adding iridescent pearl fine from golden to it. And I think I want some hot orchid from Color Art, which is a prism pour. What else do I have that I might want to put in here? I have some of the Venetian blue that had a whole bunch of Anita's white metallic added to it. If I need something else other than this magenta from Golden that had some iridescent pearl fine added to it, I will probably add some black. Oh, it's closed now. It wasn't closed last time I saw it. Okay. Well, I'd really like that to be open, but since it's really not, come out. Okay, I'm stubborn. Still not happening. I'll deal with that later. Still don't have it happening. I'm going to use the black enamel, which is not only handy but open. What else do I want in there? I wanted orange the last time I did this and I didn't get it, so this time I'm going to get it. This has plenty of iridescent pearl fine added into it. I also wanted some red, but I didn't put that in there. I think that's going to be good for right now. Put it aside. Move everything out of my way. This time, I'm going to use a little less paint. That way, once I tip, which is my plan, I wipe that paint right off my spatula. This is the OXO Omelette Turning Spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of. Lots of people use it. I'm the one that found it. Happy to take credit for that. If you're interested in purchasing one, they're on my Amazon link underneath the link tree underneath the video. The link tree also contains Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students. Should you want to join us, we'd love to have you. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is where you can find the albums of the artworks that I have edited from YouTube videos. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and more. The Shop Now button there will connect you to fineartamericanpixels.com. There are masks and yoga mats and t-shirts and babies' onesies and tank tops, duvet covers, yoga mats, coffee mugs. I could go on for a while. So I am just going to take this. I'm going to add some more white metallic and a little tiny bit, a few dribbles of gold right at the beginning, and a little bit more white. I really want to put some of that Venetian blue in, but I know already. You know what? I'm going to add either some lighter orange, which I usually refer to as Velveeta, just a dribble. And I have some Arteza Golden Hour, which is a metallic in their new collections of metallics. And I love the yellow. It's very buttercup yellow. Actually, it might be even a little lighter than that. Just going to let as much of that dribble out of there as I can and throw a little bit of turquoise in. And maybe some of that Venetian blue. And then I will do what I did the last time I did one of these that I really liked and use my dribbles. Only the last time I took them out with a shovel. And I realized that I can actually lay some things down. I got some really cool cells in there. They're so cute. I'm going to use my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Wow, somebody's having a sneezing attack in the other room. Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas are on my Amazon link, where if you shop at no added cost to you, it helps me out. And it's under the link tree. The link tree has all the other links you could possibly want. I'm trying not to laugh. It's not really funny when you have to sneeze, I guess. There we go. He went outdoors. That was very kind of him, all things considered. I'm just enjoying putting down my little dribbles in the most random way possible. And I think I can probably dot the same way. I definitely am not going to waste any of this. These colors are great. I see that I would like some orange on this end. I have enough paint left right here to add a few more of my colors that I just used. If you guys ever have any questions for me, please feel free to ask. If I have an answer, I'll give you one. If I don't, I'll let you know. So maybe I'll pour that before worrying about scraping it out, although I don't mind the idea of scraping it out either. I'm sorry, my light is fading today. It might be a little odd, the lighting in here. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint before I tip, and I may not be tipping very far. And I'm not sure what I want, if anything. I'm going to throw my calculator cover and my spatula into the bucket, and I'm going to have a quick look. And add a few dribbles that make things sing, hopefully. Where's my gold? I think that this golden hour from Arteza is asking to become part of this. Yep, liking all of that. And that. I really want some turquoise, and I think it's going to be the folk art turquoise. It's probably a flash. It's an iridescent color shifting color. I'm going to use the dull end of my skewer to just make those little dribbles become cohesive. Stop short. There we go. That's pretty cool. I like it. I will torch. Do I need to tip? I really don't. I've got tremendous cells there. I don't actually want to tip. Maybe that means I should be wise for a moment and not do that. So there's over 91,000 of you guys subscribed. It'd be really nice if I get some more big cells, but I think I've got something that's pretty cool the exception of that, which looks like a neon multicolored mummy face. I'm not doing that. That's got to be something else. I have to camouflage it. I just have to. I've got a few more spots that I need to blend in. Other than that, if you shop my Teespring clothing, that's the clothing you see below the video. You help me out and you might find some really cool things there. All over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. I want some white. I want some white metallic. Yeah, that doesn't bother me. Maybe a little tiny bit more over here. A few dots never hurt anybody. If I wanted more dots, what would they be? I'm not sure. A couple spirals never hurt anybody either. That's kind of neat. We've got some really strange and very cool patterns. This here needs to go over the edge. That's a little better. Do I want one last color? What is it going to be? Can I get away with some of the Venetian blue? I can. Very neat. I like it. It reminds me of alien DNA. Hopefully you guys can see all that. And like I said, if I started with a little less paint and left a lot more negative space, I probably could tip that and be much happier. But right now, I'm okay with it. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget I have over 1,800 videos that you can find on my YouTube channel. And you can find them by going to all playlists, creative playlists, or asking me if I recommend a genre. If you like something and you ask me to help you, I will do my best to find you something cool to watch. If you have other questions, please feel free to ask them as well. If you look under the link tree, you're going to find, I think I may have mentioned already, in fact, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. Look on the end screen video, which is always an exhibition video, to find the month's drawing prizes on the exhibition video. That's what it is. Oh, that's cool. I like that. So, I'm not sure what they'll be when you see this, but they're usually paintings or books, sometimes a calendar. And let me check my crib sheet. Thank you all for the wonderful comments that you leave me all the time. Thank you so much for the donations that help keep me painting. PayPal and Patreon icons are on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And also you can find the PayPal and Patreon links on my link tree. I don't know where there must be animal hair in the air in my house. Hopefully that will not become an issue. All right, so I think I've told you almost everything. The community board has tomorrow's video, and Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. My paint pouring recipe is below the video. I mentioned if you have questions, feel free to ask me. Please like my videos, give me a thumbs up. Share my videos whenever possible. The longer you watch them, the more meaningful it is to the YouTube algorithm, and it gives me better placement, and I really appreciate that. The longer you watch, the better off I am. And that is all I can see on my crib sheet for right now. And I love you guys, like totally. And I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.